very good morning, students. I am taking the revision class, which is paper is on 23rd February. Fine. So in this one, first of all, we should know according to the states of matter, we are saying that how many states of matter? There are three states of matter: solid, liquids, and gases. So first of all, in a solid state, a solid possesses a definite size, volume, and definite shape. Means is this they all having a definite size and definite shape in a states of matter, first of all in the solid state. Next we are talking about liquid state. In a liquid state, a liquid possesses a definite volume but not definite shape. Why it is so? Like water, if we are putting in a bottle, it take the shape of the bottle. When the water we are putting in a glass, it take the shape of the glass, and so on. So they not having a definite volume but they having a definite shape. Gaseous is neither having a definite shape nor having a definite volume. Okay, why it is so? Because they are moving here and there, that's why. After this, a solid, if its melting point is above room temperature, it means what will happen? It will solid will come under atmospheric pressure. If liquid is a melting point is below room temperature, this is above and this is below, and boiling point is also below, is above room temperature. Gas as a boiling point is below room temperature under atmospheric pressure. Understood, beta? The temperature at which all the three phases of same substance exist simultaneously is called triple point. Five states you know very well, and two more states are added in this: solid, liquid, and gases. And we can say we have studied in the ninth also: plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. This is also be important. This one I have given to you in an intermolecular force of attraction, weak forces. Intermolecular forces, what are there? Like types are here: dispersion force, dipole, dipole, dipole induced dipole, hydrogen bonding. So this in a you can complete it. Okay, in the from the copy you can do it. Fine. After this, all the explanation of this one only. Let's we talk about the next one thing. The next one thing is in your syllabus is physical and chemical process. Okay. So about we can talk about physical and chemical process. So let's we see physical and chemical process. Beta, this physical and chemical process I have given the difference of it, and I have sent the video also. Or if you have not seen the video, try to take from other students. Ashish is there, Shyam is there, he has written the full work. So you can take the difference between this one. We can say physical and chemical properties. Fine. Next, we are talking about, let's see here, I will give a short review to you so that it can be easily, you can do it. Okay, beta? So you can see. See now, this is the dispersion forces are there, dipole forces, polar solvent, dipole induced dipole. You can do by any other thing also, from ABC also. Next, we are talking about the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding, we can say in the force of attraction between hydrogen attached to electronegative atom. Means is this force of attraction is attached to electronegative atom. Examples are given here. Bond energy is 10 kilojoules to 100 kilojoules. Okay. Measure properties of gases. Pressure, volume, temperature, amount, viscosity, specific heat are some of the measured properties. Amount of gas is there, volume is there, pressure is there. Important one is the Boyle's law. In the Boyle's law, what they are saying, it states that pressure of a fixed mass of a gas varies inversely with the volume. Okay, inversely means pressure is inversely with the volume. And when we will put V here and we are putting a P here, then this will come as, now P is equals to constant upon V. We are using here P, this one P we are using, and we have to put here constant upon V. So it is P1 PV is equals to constant, P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, P1 upon P2 V2 upon V1, it will come. Okay, very important it is. After this, we are using isotherm. Isotherm only, why you should know that we are talking about the temperature which is low or which is a heating process. So by this, it can show that when we plot pressure volume graph, when we are making the graph at constant temperature, it's called as isotherm. As you can see, the graph is present here on this one side. Applications of Boyle's law, absolute zero is also be there. Next, we are talking, which is important one also, that is the Charles law. Charles law, what they are said, it was given by Jacques Charles in 1787. and he has given us what the things is in constant amount. You can see, find that a mixed amount of gas at constant pressure means here pressure is remain constant. V is directly proportional to temperature. V upon T, it is a constant, and V1 T1 V2 V2 is coming here. Understood, beta? After this, we are using here. You can see combined gas equation will also become. Already these things I have given in your copy. Okay, so don't be confused in this one. After this Avogadro hypothesis, all gases contain equal moles of substance occupied by the same volume at same temperature. Next is ideal gas equation is important. A gas which obey Boyle-Charles law means those gases which are using as Boyle's law and Charles law. Then we can say it was an ideal gas. Ideal gas equation. This is the formula, and you can complete it till here. Dalton law of partial pressure. In this one we are using P1 plus P2, P3, P4 and so on. What is here? We are mixture. We are doing the mixture of non-reactive gases in Dalton law of partial pressure. Understood? These are the applications of Dalton law of partial pressure. Next we are talking about the diffusion and effusion. Diffusion, we can do the difference between the diffusion and effusion. The ability of a gas to spread and copy the whole available volume means the ability of a gas is spread and occupy the whole volume, irrespective of other gases present in the container called diffusion. Understood? Next, we are talking about the average velocity you can see, but not important this one. In unit test, real gases will also be there. After this beta, you can see the Boyle's temperature important, Joule-Thomson effect is important. Critical temperature is also be important. Okay, so surface tension also you can complete it. The consequence of surface tension is also important. Fine, and one or two numericals you can complete it in your copy. Beta, okay, so you understood this thing. Now I will tell about the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics means we can do this we are using a chemical energy, mechanical energy. Thermodynamics is a study of the science which study energy changes is called thermodynamics. System, what is a portion of universe which is under investigation, portion of a test tube where react takes place. In this one, surrounding will be there, open system, closed system is there. Now I am giving an example. One beaker I have taken, on that beaker I have put it a honey. When I am putting a honey, what I have seen from the outer one portion, the flies are coming and sitting on that one honey. So what will happen here means the thing which is going inside, they are saying two three things are there: adsorbent, adsorb, absorb. Okay, so what they are saying that is absorb. If they will go downside, then desorption will come. Okay, so in this one these are the these you learn it, the definitions of it, open system, closed system. Actually what the things are coming in the paper now, already I have completed that one thing. So work, you all know it is important. It is a mode of energy transfer if the difference in pressure of the system and the surrounding till the pressure become equal. Okay, it loses energy, it means work is done by the system. Here work is done by the system. Adiabatic heat is important. Okay, next we are talking about the first law of thermodynamics, which is very, very important. Okay, next we are doing enthalpy. Enthalpy is important. It is defined as, like we have given the example, H is equals to U plus PV. Then we will ask what is this? Then you can see we are giving the options also. Then you are saying that it is a enthalpy. Okay, beta. So after this we are using enthalpy change delta H. In this one, if I will ask like this question to you, that when delta N is equals to 0, then delta H is equals to delta V. Like this we will say. Okay, endo exothermic isobaric thermic is important. Okay, means is this overall what the things I have given in your copy, that was important one. Relation between Cp and Cv, by the relation we have find out Cp minus Cv is equals to the R. So measurement of U and measurement of H also I have given to you. Fine. Next is in this one only we are doing a this one this we call as, you can see the portion has law constant. Okay, and I'm not teaching in from the ABC, I'm teaching from together. Okay, in this one short method is given. Okay, so now next is a very important one, beta, Bose-Hubbard cycle. In a Bose-Haber cycle, they are giving the reactions and they will conversion them. Okay, so applications also of it bears enthalpy of ionization is there, enthalpy of solution, enthalpy of hydration is there. Okay, so next we are talking about entropy, which is very important. Entropy, as we have given the formula like delta S is equals to Q upon T, delta H upon T. I will ask like what is this? You can say this is the entropy. Okay, disorder, when the disorder will takes place, entropy will be there. Okay, beta, understood these things? And if you have not understood, then what you will do, you can what's the problem is there, you can come to school and ask me the, okay, you can ask me. Or if you will not able to come to school, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp group. Okay, okay beta. So till here we have completed. Now last one, equilibrium is left. What I have teaches in the equilibrium chapter, that thing will come in the paper. Okay. Right now only before 2-3 days I have completed that one equilibrium. So it is better you learn by yourself. Okay. Now I will give some project that one work, practical work also I will give to you. Okay. Thank you students and have a nice day. And do your paper well. Okay, beta. Thank you, beta.